Hey, this is Artie with AutoTex Wiper Solutions, and this is our M6 Pro windshield wiper. M6 Pro windshield wiper is the best metal wiper blade you can get. It is all steel constructed frame with riveted joints and plastic bushings for the most quiet operation available. It has 100% natural compression molded rubber that is designed specifically to fit each length. The rubber is also triple chlorinated for long-lasting durability. It is designed to fit 9x3 and 9x4 hook blades, which is small and medium, both sides pins and bayonet applications. This is the most common wiper blade found in the market. It's found on cars, trucks, buses, RVs, school buses, you name it, you've seen this wiper on it. Thanks for checking out our M6 Pro wiper. Find us at www.autotexwipers.com. We have all of your wiper solutions.